Okay, hawak. I'll go. Very good. Next, what's next? What letter is this? Oh, where's the letter A? Okay, you can trace.
Letter A?
Yes.
Not letter R. That's letter R.
Letter A only muna.
Oh,
Oo, find the letter baby A.
this?
Yes. Very good. What's next? What letter is this?
M.
Oh, where's the letter M?
And for Mika.
M for Mika. Okay,
For
okay.
Mika.
Okay. Go na, answer na.
There is Mika.
Wow, you spell pa. Okay, you can answer.
Mama. And for Mika.
Okay na, answer na po.
Ma, and for Mika.
M for Mika. Okay, very good.
Baba.
Go na, you can trace na. Oh, where's the letter M? Okay, mali. Ayos natin. Oh, go. You can trace. Where is the letter M?
This. Mama, this.
Wow, very good. Oh, this. So, go.
Ma.
Wow, very good. Very good. What's next? What letter is this?
R.
R for rabbit.
Boy.
Oh, very good. Oh, where's the letter R? Ayos mo. Oo po. Oh, what is that? Letter?
Q.
Okay. Next is letter Q. Find the letter Q. Okay.
Queen.
Opo.
Asa for queen.
Yes, Q for queen.
Ma.
What's that? 4. Galing din ng bunsi ko ah. Mabura natin? Can I bura? Go. Q for...
Queen.
Okay.
Ma.
Opo.
Ma.
Opo, very good. Oh, what's next? What's next? What letter is that?
T.
Oh, T for
Turtle.
turtle. Very good. Okay, where's the letter T?
This.
This. Okay.
Very good.
Very good.
Very good, Daddy. For this S.
Okay, very good si Ali. Found niya. Oh, go. Go. Very good. Next. What's next?
Letter D.
D. Oh, where's the letter D for?
Quack, quack, quack.
Duck. Okay.
Ma.
Opo. Wow. Very good.
Naman ko lang
What?
clue.
Q? Oh, where's the letter Q? This. Oh, where's the baby Q? This one, the baby Q. Di ba na-answer mo na yan? Nga. Okay, very good.